I shut it off on the side, but it burnt through the line, I guess. It's coming out of the bottom.
Natural gas?
Yeah. Go away from the side. Bring it from the front. From the front.
Tires! The tires! Huh?
Was that the fuel line exploded or something? Or
No, they,
or did
I think it was the main airline coming up the pump.
for the natural gas, because it runs on natural gas, right?
Yeah, I don't think that what caused it.
I think there's still a couple tires that haven't gone.
Yeah, the back one.
Right on the back.
My keys are in there. Damn it, I forgot them.
Oh, you keep for your cars?
Yeah. Oh, fuck.
To have someone meet you or drop them off at where you
I'm thinking this guy took a long time to turn his hose on.
I don't know, I think he's waiting for the other tires to blow before he goes closer. I think there's still 2 tires in back that haven't gone.
You got my phone.
There goes one. You got one more. And that should have been all of them. There's only 4 on the back, right?
8.
Oh, there's 8? There might be 2 more.
Can you give me my bag?
I'd wait. That sucks, man. But it ain't like your face.
Fuck, man, it went up fast. I used the whole fire extinguisher on it.
Is that your truck you always use?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that?
We're gonna have to give you a new truck.
Okay, that's my truck. Yeah.
Do you have any safety measures that we're supposed to be aware of when it comes to the natural gas?
It's supposed to vent on its own.
It sounds like it's venting.
Yeah. The explosions are the tires.
Yeah, oh yeah. That or something that's inside the garbage.
It's not like you're gonna put it out.
What's that?
You almost have to wait until that runs out. The natural gas. I mean, I doubt it would water put it out.
Well, not just that, but when it's vent, You want it to kind of be burning so it doesn't create an explosion hazard elsewhere.
Yeah, at least it's doing that, not
Right.
exploding. That would.
Well, that's what we're worried about is a blevy. We want to keep the tank cool. Do you know where the tank is? Behind the driver's tire?
It's on the back. Up
Oh, it's on the
top.
back, up on top?
They're right by where the wires, there's 2 wires that are looped, like behind it.
It's up on top?
It's on top.
Oh, it is on top. Shit.
It's probably like the hydraulic tank burning now. That's on the bottom.
Okay.
No water on it yet. For truck. No. Okay.
Looks like it's already venting.
Yeah, it burned through the line at the bottom right off initially, and then it was venting out of there, even though I shut it off.
How much natural gas is it?
When I started this morning, it had like 3,200 PSI. So I think it's all gone now.
How long does it normally last?
Nope.
Give us a little more water. We're running out of water. Yeah, it's venting. Yeah. I don't like being this close to that. Light up.
No.
500 feet. Think about it. A house with natural gas in it, when it goes up, could level houses around it. Hey, Kyle over there? Come in where it's warm anytime.
Oh, it's okay. I'm fine. It's a heat wave today, huh? Heat wave today.
All of a sudden I heard a boom and I just looked out the window and it was like, oh my god, what the hell happened?
I think the main airline coming off the air pump blew and it like started a fire on top of the trans.
Oh god. Jeez. Are you warm enough out here? Are you okay?
Adrenaline's keeping me warm.
Oh,
I think.
yeah. It was funny when I came out in the driveway, I thought I could feel the heat.
Oh,
Holy cow.
the same thing that cooks your food.
And can blow up your house. Yeah, I know. Oh my gosh. Jeez.
I think the explosion sounds were the tires exploding. The poor guy's mailbox is melting.
Yeah, I saw that. It's like, yeah, that mailbox is toast. Holy cow.
All the fire hydrants are frozen.
I don't know. I was thinking the same thing.
Over there.
Like I said, are they hooked up to anything? It's like, I don't think so. I'll bet they're frozen still. It really didn't thaw out that much yet over the weekend. Today's it's still 30 something, and it's been really, really cold. So, wow.
Can I get my bag right there? Just a shovel.
Your bag's fine right now.
I don't think anybody's going over there. Holy.
Could have at least given the water in the tank.
Oh, look at the gunk coming out. Guess they haven't flushed that one in a while. There it goes. Now it's clean water.
It's always a little dirty to begin with.
Yeah, I know. I live here. Let it sit a while and then turn on a faucet. Yeah. Oh, now the mailbox is on fire. Oh, gee.
No.
But the garbage cans are safe.
I think they're melted a little.
Yeah, the one is. The blue one is. Oh my gosh.
Here comes the water.
They're working on it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Here comes the water!
If you need a place to come in, please come in. I'm not even sure who that is, but we've got someone else already. So come on over if you want to.
All right, thank you.
Got some water?
That's working now, huh?
That tank up underneath the middle.
It's on the very top.